I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to turn off notifications on your Bell Canada account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bell Canada website and log into your account using your credentials. This is where you can manage all your settings. Step 2. Navigate to Notification Settings. Once logged in, find the Settings or Preferences section. Look for the option labeled Notification Settings to access your notification preferences. Step 3. Adjust notification preferences. In the notification settings, you will see various options for different types of notifications. You can toggle off the notifications you no longer wish to receive. Step 4. Save your changes. After adjusting your preferences, make sure to click the Save button to apply your changes. Not saving can lead to notifications still coming through. Step 5. Check your device settings. Lastly, ensure that your device settings are also configured to stop notifications from the Bell app. Go to your phone settings and disable notifications for the app if necessary. Now you should be all set to enjoy a quieter experience without those pesky notifications. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Bell's customer support for assistance.